Here in Jafrabad, that's in Balochistan area. Basically, as you can see, it's nearly a month now been rain everywhere, the flood everywhere. You can see we can't even find the place where you can distribute your given gift to these needed people. So we find this small patch, dry land, and now we're going to distribute whatever they need. The house is destroyed, the food is gone, the clothes is gone, everything what they had, it's totally gone. So alhamdulillah, with your donation, I'm able to stand in here. So jazakallah khair, keep continue donating to me. We continue working in the field, and now we're gonna soon distribute them inshallah ta'ala.